Hello everyone, welcome again. We'll be starting history chapter 2, that is colonial rule in India. And in today's video, in this chapter we will discuss topic about annexation of Awadh. So first I will tell you the annexation of Awadh on 11th February 1856 was an important event in modern Indian history. In this article, you can read about the events leading to the annexation of Awadh by the East India Company and its aftermath. So, let's start. In 1856, Lord Dalhousie annexed the state of Awadh and deposed its ruler Wazid Ali Shah. Lord Dalhousie claimed misgovernment as reason for his annexation. So, annexation ऑफ अवध का मतलब होता है अवध का विलय. 1856 में लॉर्ड डलहौजी ने अवध राज्य पर कब्जा कर लिया और उसके जो रूलर थे वाजिद अली शाह उनको उनके पद से हटा दिया गया और लॉर्ड डलहौजी ने अपने इस एनेक्सेशन का कारण के रूप में यह बताया कि वाजिद अली शाह का जो शासन था वो सही ढंग से नहीं कर रहे थे. मीन्स लॉर्ड डलहौजी ने अपने एनेक्सेशन के कारण के रूप में कुशासन का दावा किया. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, इफ आई टेल यू full explanation about annexation of Awadh. So first I will tell you background about the kingdom of Awadh. So the Awadh state was a princely state in the Awadh region of North India. A few important facts about Awadh state are first is the first capital of Awadh was Ayodhya, later Faizabad. Second, Awadh became one of the provinces where governors upon the decline of the Mughal emperor began to consolidate their own power. Third, the governor of Awadh began to exert greater autonomy until Awadh evolved into an independent state that controlled the fertile lands of the central and lower Doab region. Fourth, the British East India Company checked its power following the Battle of Buxar in 1764. In its aftermath, Awadh came under the nominal controls of the British colonial powers. So, annexation of Awadh, although Wazid Ali Shah was capable ruler, the British resident gave exaggerated reports about his incompetence to the company authorities. This gave the East India Company a casus belli, cases for war in Latin, to conquer Awadh. On 7th February 1856, Lord Dalhousie ordered to depose Wazid Ali Shah on the account of alleged internal misrule. This was in line with Dalhousie's doctrine of lapse, in which the British would take over a kingdom if there was misrule also. The kingdom of Awadh was annexed in February 1856. So I hope you all understood very well annexation of Awadh. Next, we will discuss next topic, administration under the British. So in order to control the growing number of regions the Britain was assimilating within its folds, the British set up a new system of administration. Means उन क्षेत्रों की बढ़ती संख्या को कंट्रोल करने के लिए जिन्हें ब्रिटेन अपने तहों में आत्मसात कर रहा था, अंग्रेजों ने प्रशासन की एक नई प्रणाली स्थापित की. Their main purpose was to benefit from trade and increase their profit through trade. और उनका जो मेन पर्पस था वो ट्रेड से प्रॉफिट पाना था, उसे प्राप्त करना था और ट्रेड के माध्यम से improving the welfare of the people was never their intention. और ट्रेड के ही माध्यम से वे अपने लाभ में वृद्धि करना चाहते थे और साथ ही लोगों के कल्याण में सुधार करना उनका इरादा कभी नहीं था. So, with this topic, your chapter 2 of history, colonial rule of India is complete. I hope all your doubts are cleared. You have understood all the content of this chapter very well. Thank you for watching video. Have a nice day.